Hey, what's up guys? If you have ever tried to remove tint, you know it's not easy. I am going to show you the best method to use when removing a rear windshield. First thing you want to do is take a large towel and create a barrier to enclose the rear windshield. I am tucking the towel into the headliner and using microfiber towels on the edges to create a tight seal. You are going to need a steamer. I am taping the trigger lock so the steamer stays running the whole time. I will place the steamer in the center so the heat is spread out evenly. Essentially, we are creating a steam room. I do want to mention you could make upwards of $300 providing this service. A lot of window tinters do not offer this service, so you could become just a tint removal guy. This can be done mobile or home-based and low startup costs. After about 15 minutes, touch the glass to make sure the heat is being spread out evenly. It should be hot enough to where you can't hold your hand on it for too long. And if you're still watching, take a second to hook me up with a like and a follow. Also, a comment wouldn't hurt either. I'm literally giving you guys free game. After 30 to 40 minutes, remove the towels and get ready to peel the film. If done correctly, the film should peel, leaving behind almost no residual glue, making your job 10 times easier. If you do want to learn how to tint windows, make sure to check out my YouTube channel where I have a free step-by-step course that goes in depth on how to tint windows. I also cover where to get professional film and tools. Once the film is removed, I use a product called ATR to remove any residual glue left behind. I will link all tools and equipment down below. Using a white scrub pad, I give it a good scrub and squeegee everything to the sides. After that, I give it another cleaning with soapy water, flush the sides and bottom, and use my favorite window cleaner, a microfiber towel, to leave the glass spotless. Thanks for watching, and I hope some of y'all can make some queso after watching this.